The most important aspects in selecting precision tooling start at the retention knob and end at the collet and the nut. So if we look at our retention knob, the retention knob is made from tool steel. It is serial numbered, and we have a born-on date within that serial number. So we can estimate the number of cycles that that retention knob has made. AT tolerance is what a machine manufacturer grinds their spindle at. An AT0 is a lock fit tolerance, so the tool is very difficult to release. Typically, manufacturers grind to an AT1 tolerance on the machine spindle. We grind to an AT2 tolerance. Our competition out there typically grinds all of their holders to an AT3 or better, they claim. An AT2 is important because it gives you much more surface contact and run-out reliability or security within the machine spindle. Choosing the right collet for the right application reverts back to choosing the right tool for the right application. A lot of customers rely specifically on ER collets, which is pretty much an industry standard, but we have many different collets that are available, and that would be a Mega E for end milling. That type of collet gives you a much greater amount of surface contact to hold the tool with and maintain, TIR. We have our Mega New Baby, which starts at approximately 10 thousandths in diameter on a collet, and we go up to that tool to approximately 20 millimeters in diameter. The accuracy of the collet is extremely important, based upon manufacturers, and we do take pride in inspecting every one of our collets twice for accuracy. Once at the nose, which is measured at 40 millionths, and then once at 4 times diameter, which is measured at about 1/10, 20 millionths. So we take extra care in that. So the precision is extremely important for us across our broad range of collet holding tool holders. The nut is equally as important in the whole assembly. Thread grinding, the accuracy of the nut, the bearing surfaces on the nut are all very important in the whole clamping system. I like to refer to a BIG DAISHOWA holder as a complete system because it takes the adapter, the collet, and the nut into play to achieve the accuracy that the customers need within the aerospace, medical, and construction industries. What aspect has the biggest impact on tooling up is the whole system. I don't think there's any one thing that could make a difference. It's several things. It's from the retention knob to the AT tolerance, to the way the tool is ground, to the way the tool is assembled with the proper collet and the proper nut and the proper torque. So everything comes into the system, and if you take one of those out, the whole assembly is going to increase in the TIR, which is going to add to the cost of your tool. The nomenclature TIR is total indicator runout. That's the total indicator reading when the tool is put into a spindle of how much it runs out. So the runout equates to a percentage of cost. If you decrease the runout by approximately 1/1000th of an inch, it's going to improve your cost per hole by approximately 10%. So keeping the TIR, the total indicator runout, to a minimum will improve tool life, tool quality, and the cost per part. The impact low quality tooling can have on the machine and the tooling is oversized holes, poor cutting conditions, and cost per holes increasing. So the value of the tool goes way down by using inappropriate tooling or low quality tooling. It will in the end cost you more money. When you're evaluating companies for tool holders, pick up the tool and feel the threads, feel the collets, check for burrs, check that all the surfaces are ground. If you feel a burr, your total indicator runout is going to be impacted. What differentiates BIG DAISHOWA product is the process in which the tools are manufactured. We don't really spare any costs in the manufacturing process to achieve the tolerances that we need. As an example, our collets are hand inspected twice and they're guaranteed for precision. We manufacture our own tool holders, we heat treat on site, we grind on site. All of our collets are made locally, so we have complete process control over every component that goes into our product.